You're an investor or an M&A specialist. You run an incubator accelerator. You work with founders every single day. If you want to give these founders a leg up, why not check out the Brands Investors Love workshop? This 3-hour intensive workshop gives them all the fundamentals they need to build a brand that investors love. We start with a fun little bit of research, finding out what your classmates think about your company. We look at the value proposition as a Venn and then the value proposition ladder. We look at the adoption curve. Where do you sit? Are you still a product-led company, or are you making the transition to becoming a brand-led company? And we finish the day with a fun little bit of testimonial work to help the founders get the right things out of their consumers in testimonials. So if you want to help the founders that you work with, take a look at booking a Brands Investors Love workshop.